as me they telling you, you know, maybe like the vlog before this or maybe the one before that. I got try out Taco Bell, you know. See if me can, you know. Like I say, I think I had it already. Just can't remember. But anyways, I go there now. Probably go for some chicken, of course. Can't go wrong with chicken. Am I going to eat there? Maybe not. But it depends on when we get still. I don't really want to book up in the Omarion, you see me? Just I come from Foot Locker. We'll cap a little shirt. I try to get 2 shirts, but me end up get 1. So me take the one when me get. Last time I got Foot Locker, I get a shirt zine, and it was small. I did have a take it, but a medium are really my size. I'm gonna check. By the time I go check the rotted, small gone, small disappear, brother. If you don't look right there, so I want to see it will almost reach. Yeah, I can see what they have now. So we can bust down some Taco Bell. So I go pull up to the Taco Busy. I don't know, I think I may have gotten too much food. As I said, I'll go home because I can't bother with the Omarion. And yeah, I'm not far from the yard. So I just go home to mash it up. Should I probably get a drink, but I never buy none. So I'm going to drink water and everything. Just a wait now for collect and then ship out. Just I remember somebody want really the breakfast menu you want to try, but breakfast stop serve 11, so they come about 12:90. Breakfast stop serve 11, so I missed that. If you really want to try to get a breakfast thing, maybe one next time. But for now, I'm gonna try with them out this week. See if they nice. Still a wait. They might do them look a thing. I think me want a yard around about the top. You name Donovan, so I must Jamaica. I'm also a Dunkin' Donuts across the street. I don't know, I might go grab 2 donuts or something. Maybe, we don't know. America runs on Dunkin', so I might as well. Or to just save that for another time. Look, we did end up going Dunkin' Donuts last minute. I'm never sure if I go come go at the door and I stand up and I say, do I really want this? And I say, alright, it's just get it feel like a little sweet treat after I done it all day. Burritos and all them something. The Taco Bell bag feel kind of heavy, like it have something sizable in there. Maybe definitely one of the burritos. I never expect it to be extremely cheap, but we see when we open the bag. That's one of the reasons also why I contemplate if I go get the Dunkin' Donuts, if I have space left to do that. I don't really want to eat too much. If anything, some of this might just be dinner. And also, I never want to get cold. Nobody don't want no cold food. Try to get some hot food in my stomach. I'm sitting about 2 turns away from my yard. So I'll be home shortly. Wipe up the table already and all of them stuff. You know what is what? You know, so one of the beef thing them that. So the Doritos, the hard taco, another soft taco. And we start munch on the quesadilla. Because they give me mother piece, so yeah, and then have a little drink right there, so I don't know if you want to see that. And some water. Donut there, so still. What I do? A violation thing or something. I'm gonna go with the taco first. The Doritos. Because it start fall apart inside that bottom. So, see what I got. Got cheese, we got tomato, lettuce, and I think there is some beef at the bottom with some that look like sour cream. So, I could dive into this. Feel kind of, yeah, that crack apart and then something. It's not that bad, man. I'm just sitting on to put on the white thing that I'm assuming is sour cream. And so I don't know if I go like that in. But it'll fall apart in friend. Maybe I wait too long so it kind of get soggy. Yo, move from this one, brother. And beef tastes nice too, you know. Hey, fly. Bro. That's why I didn't want to do this in my house, but I say, yo, man, come outside, you know. Come on, have fresh air in my system. Jesus Christ. The rate is like, you know, 4 out of 10, maybe. 4 out of 10. I think this is the beef. I'm not sure what. Beef burrito. But 2 of them I get. Soft taco. But yeah, this is how it look like. I don't know, burnt things in a wrapper, you know. Oh, I go and Taco Bell around with me. It look like it's a, what do they call that? A wrap. A wrap, me I call it. I think that's a, but they grill it with the filling inside and all that. I'm going to take a bite and see what is what. I know it's a beef in this for sure. That look like maybe some sour cream with some sauce. I don't know about nothing else. Maybe rice. Yeah, I think I say rice too. Yeah. With maybe lettuce and them thing there. But I could do the damage. Every time I think about tacos or soft taco, I always expect it to have like a more fluffy vibe to it. Yeah, but look at spice in there. As this did too. I can't remember any spice coming off of this. And now I get as much flavor from this as I was getting from this or the quesadilla. This just tastes like something you just eat. It's top hunger. It also come like you have some little piece of like Frito-Lay in there. But you may get some cheese now with some tomato. You know, keep the taste buds them now fire, isn't it? But it can go on. Can go on meaning some of the rate about like 2.5, 3 out of 5. Fish. I think this one is the beef melt. So the one I'm just eat is the grilled cheese beef burrito. Yeah? Yeah, I think that was a coronavirus. Excuse me. So these are the beef melt burrito. But these are just beef and cheese. Same like the other one before, but it's just I could bite into it and see what's. I only have cheese and basically the same thing, like a pink thing from before, lettuce, with some sauce. I think I was scammed. Taco Bell, I broke up somebody when I circle up there. I want to kind of burnt it. I'm going to see you, man. See if. Huh. Rice. Like a pink thing then. Like a Frito-Lay. Beef, lettuce. Fucker. Same like the one before. I'm not going to finish this. And the one I kind of burn up too. Okay, this can put on pause. And we have the quesadilla, chicken quesadilla. It combo somewhere over here, so this was one, you know. I'm gonna give me another piece and me eat the next piece. I like how it tastes. It was good. And I think I don't get no stringy cheese yet. No cheese activity because it cool up, you know. Never. Just don't really have nothing in there, so this I go get tossed aside. This is where all the goodness is. We have the cheese and the chicken. Hey man, get off. Butterfly. Yeah, so there's cheese and chicken in the wrap. I mean quesadillas before. This nice though. And it kinda have like a spice in it. I guess the spice is the element that really send people go to the bathroom more. But I think I'm kinda used to spicy food. Fly a Satan. The thing with the taco then, you kind of have this like burnt. When it burnt, you kind of have this bitter taste on the outside. This would I get a 4 out of 4 out of 5. Because a chicken, you can't lose on a chicken. Ooh. Yeah, but look at special sauce in there. That's a special sauce in my dinner, right? Yeah, this nice though. I just the fact saying full out all the way to the end, so you have some little dry bits, you know, probably folding that in an activity where it take place. You know, you go over here so where meat, the bread go link up with meat and cheese and sauce. But the sauce is definitely spicy. Alright, cool. So if I had to rate everything in order of how me eat it, what was this again? Oh, the scam, or the first of the scams. Would I say them two are tie? But if I had to pick one, I would I go with the Doritos Locos Tacos because I never eat it before and it tastes good. Then you would have the quesadilla. Then this is the grilled cheese burrito with seasoned beef, and then we have the burrito melt. This coming in the last place because basically the same as before. I thought it would have been something different, or maybe them do it by mistake and give me two of the same thing. No, but in a different packaging, which means a different something. So I scam. So this coming last. In a taste bud, it just feel like it's a repetition of this. All in all, it was a good looking meal though, you know. You know what would have funny if me there so and things say it's still a record and it stopped about 20 minutes ago. I bet you can't tell me what. The same thing when we talk about said maybe if camera stop run and cut off some of my footage. It happened. Right when I was having the donut, I can't eat the next donut right now. The donut was sweet, but the donut was good. Maybe if me didn't have the sound on, I would have noticed that the camera stopped. So I have to kind of blame myself right there. It's all my fault that. But I thought I have to delete some of my foolishness on my app on my phone there and free up some space. Oh boy. Well, the most that happened after that was eat one eye donut. And it was nice and airy and fluffy. I did show you the footage from this Avonia. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to tell you to say, I'm going to go a Top Golf when I'm done. Because that was something that's what you want to do. But I'm going to check the budget. See if that can go on. But I think I'm going to go. So I call but you know, request an Uber to come drop me off there. So maybe in the next half hour, feel stuffed. I made that say from all the dough we eat. So I'm gonna just go there so I swing around the golf club a little bit. I could have walked going on, but the sun kinda warmish, not hot. I mean I really want to sweat up. So that's why I'm now walk go. I just call the Uber and then walk come back home. When I say they about like maybe like 20 minutes walk from where me there. I don't mind walking that. Um, them say it's a 7-minute drive, maybe even less than that if there isn't any traffic on the road. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I just made this digest, and then make a move. I'm gonna put it in our next vlog. And the vlog is already long, so I put it in our next vlog. So now we see it is the same day, but just another vlog. So big up on yourself. Maybe I saw alone and I did that. Big up on yourself until the next vlog, which is soon. Yeah, look more. I don't know what that me just do.